I might have
people in the kitchen. No one welcome.
Yeah. Yeah.
When?
That's a good picture. Dude, Reese, that's gonna be us. I hope. Look at that.
Yeah, how much footage are you gonna have? Oh wow. Whoa. This isn't the same river we were on earlier, is it? Loki, I don't know. Might be. Could be. Church.
Can you read it? Is it in English?
I'm not sure where that zigzag is.
So we're gonna be drinking that later.
What are we drinking?
Your pee.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú?
Like lost found footage. I lost footage.
Cookie.
Cookie. Oh, dude, you almost cocked us.
Here.
Early 20th century.
That's something cool. Who doesn't like an abandoned place?
Yeah, it's awesome. Look at that, it's like a little patio down there.
Yeah. Yeah, literally went up where you were. And like, you can see a bunch of stuff inside.
Real life, baby.
Oh gosh, you're really freaking out on me.
Yeah, I don't like this very much. I'll live though.
Oh
God, yeah.
Hey yo, look to the right. Look at those houses. They're like jutting out.
That's new.
Oh yeah, that's so hot.
That bridge was scary. That church I think was the sixth one seen. What's up? Maybe the sixth.
There's That's probably
Whoa.
Dude. Writing was like scrubbed off.
probably walking over just like so much stuff.
Holy shit.
Buy a prize from the game.